Hi friends, this is Parul and welcome to my channel Parul Saraf Recipes in English. Today we are going to make very healthy laddus which also helps to control your weight. For which we have to take a pan and heat that on a high flame. After that just slow down the flame and add 200 grams of groundnut in it. There are two types of groundnut available in the market. First is dark in color, that is it is little bit dark red, and another one is in light pink color. We have to use light one here. Roast it very nicely till its peel comes out. It is going to take 13 to 15 minutes. We have to roast it very nicely. Just have a look. We need this type of color. Okay. But remember that we have to roast it in a low to medium flame only. Don't use high flame. Just check it out. It is very ready now. Then keep it aside to cool down. Then we'll remove the peels. After that we have to roast white til, which is easily available in the market. We have to roast it in a low flame. It is 200 grams of white til. Here we have to remember that it should be washed and dried up one day before. We have to roast it only for 7 to 8 minutes. Just roast it very well. It should be changed in color very little bit. Just roast it. After that, keep it also aside to cool down. Next thing which we have to roast is dry coconut, which is very easily available in the market. Just grate it, then roast it. We have to roast it only for 2 to 3 minutes. It is not going to take much time. Little bit oil from the coconut will come out. Just roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. In our next step, we have to take half kg gur, that is jaggery, in a pan. We have to melt it completely. For that, we have to add 1 tablespoon of water in it. Just add the water and start melting it in a low to medium flame. It is going to take little bit time as whole jaggery should be melt properly. Just stir it. On the other hand, we have to peel off our groundnut, which is already roasted. And after that, we have to grind it in a grinder. We don't have to make very fine powder. We just want rough groundnut powder. See the consistency? Just take it off. After that, grind the white til also in the same grinder. It should also be roughly grinded. Here I am taking 4 to 5 spoons til separate. Don't grind that part. We should add it like that only. And the rest should be grind. Add it also with the groundnut powder. On the other hand, our jaggery is also melted now, but is going to take some more time for the consistency which we require for our laddus. I am going to add little bit of haldi powder for color, as well as it is good for health, but it is completely optional. If you want to add, then add, and if you don't want to use, then it is not necessary. Just stir the jaggery continuously. After stirring, we have to check the consistency which we required for making our laddus. It is boiled now. Just have a look. I have taken a small bowl and add some water in it. Then add few drops of jaggery. Wait for 1 minute and try to make a small ball. If it can be easily made, then it is ready. But right now it is little bit sticky. So I am going to stir it for 1 more minute. Then check it again. Again I am also adding some few drops of jaggery. Now it is ready as it is not sticky now. Now start adding ingredients in it. Firstly add both the mixed powder of groundnut and til, and also add the til which we kept separately, that is without grinded. Add coconut also. Mix it well. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of Shuddh ghee in it. Now mix it properly. Our flame is low till now. Now after mixing well, close the flame and spread the ingredients and wait for 3-4 minutes so that it should be little bit cool down. Just remember, it should not be very hot nor so cool for making laddus. Just spread it. Our mixture is ready now. Spread some ghee in your palm and start making laddus according to your choice. If you want big laddus, then make big one. If you want small or medium, it's totally up to you. It is very easy to make laddus when it is little bit warm. So don't cool it down. Just make the laddus like this. Use little bit pressure to give the shape. I am making all the laddus like this only. Our laddus are ready now, which is very healthy and literally very soft. If you want to lose weight, then have 1 laddu daily in the morning and have 1 glass of warm water after that. It is very useful and healthy to have it in cold weather also. Just have 1 laddu in the night before you go to bed, followed by 1 glass of warm milk. Just try it once. It is very healthy for all aged people. Just have a look. It looks so yummy as well as so soft. See that. Just try it and reply me in message box. Hope you like the video. Share it with your friends and close ones and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.